close out of these first. So I've already signed into our Motley Fool account. What you want to do is go to the admin section. Alright, and you'll just click on Add Post. So what you're going to be posting is actually a Word document. So before you post it, you actually have to make some changes to the Word document. And I'll show you what needs to be added. So here is what you would typically get from somebody on the editorial team. Alright, and at the top is the suggested title. Here's the person who did the interview, who carried out the interview. Alright, so there are just a couple of things that we need to add to this. So at the top here, we're going to go ahead and change this to by George Mack and include the report that he's associated with. So this is the Life Sciences report. Okay. So we're also going to link to the Life Sciences report, and we're going to create that hyperlink here. Now we're also going to be including some other hyperlinks, and we're going to want to track how those hyperlinks are clicked on. And one way to do this is through Google, the Google URL shortener. So we do have an account with Google URL shortener, and all you have to do is type the URL, I mean, it's much easier to just copy and paste from the website itself, but that'll do. You click on URL shortener, and this is what you're going to, the hyperlink that you'll include. So press Ctrl+C to copy, go back to our document, insert the hyperlink right there, click OK, and there we go. So once we post this onto Motley Fool, whoever clicks on this, Google URL shortener will be able to track how many people have clicked it. So for instance, you'll see here that the Life Sciences report was clicked through 23 times on the Motley Fool for one particular posting that we did. Okay, let's go back to the document. All right, there's also a blurb that we like to include. We just write, for more information, for more interviews with sector experts and analysts, please sign up for our newsletter at www.thelifesciencesreport.com. Okay, you're going to want to find the Life Sciences Report sign-up page for the newsletter, and you will go back to the Google URL shortener, insert that hyperlink here, create another shortened URL, and insert that here. You'll edit the hyperlink and include that shortened link here. Okay. That's pretty much it for hyperlinking, aside from this one right here, in which case we'll delete this hyperlink. We'll select this whole sentence, whole section of the sentence, and we'll hyperlink this. And you'll want to include a hyperlink to the actual interview itself on our website. So if you go to here. Let's say this is the interview that you want to link to. We'll just go ahead and copy that URL, paste it into our shortener, shorten the URL, copy, and paste here in our document. There we go. Alright, so that's it for creating hyperlinks through Google URL shortener. The next thing you'll have to edit is the way that you see the tickers. So Motley Fool has a very specific way that they ticker, and so they actually like to reverse this order here. So we have to change all of these. There shouldn't be too many in this document. And typically, Motley Fool will only accept, I think, a maximum of 5 tickers in each post. So they may not accept all of the tickers that you include here. And last one. There we go. Alright, once you're finished with that, you're ready to insert this document into Motley Fool. So let's go ahead and select all, copy, go to our blog post section. We'll go ahead and paste into the main body. And they always have some interesting spacing issues here, so we're just going to go through and fix some of these. I'll start at the top. You can actually copy and paste the title up here. There we go. Alright, now the next step is to click this Tickerize button. And what that does is Motley Fool will then recognize all the tickers in your document and will tag them. So I'm going to click Tickerize. These are the ones that they recognized. And it seems as though there are a few that did not go through. So we can go ahead and check those out to make sure that they're correct. And then you can click Tickerize again. But, try to get the full 5 tickers in there. So for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and leave that be. Under Status, keep it as a draft version, because somebody else in the team, from our marketing team, will go through and they'll include some additional things to the document, some social media references, and some SEO. And then under the disclosure section, we do have a disclosure that we include specifically for the Motley Fool. And that is something that can be emailed to you because we use it in every Motley Fool posting. And it begins with, from time to time, Streetwise reports LLC and its directors, officers, employees, or members of their families, and so on and so forth. So you will be provided with that disclosure to include. You can just copy and paste it here. Alright, and then when you're finished, you select Save, and just alert the marketing director that the Motley Fool is ready to go, and he or she will make the changes to the document as they see fit, and they'll publish it. Okay, so that would conclude how to syndicate to IB Times, Seeking Alpha, and the Motley Fool.